variously formed from the breakdown of acetoacetate. It's found mostly in breath, and its contribution as an energy source is insignificant. Using a specially designed acetone breath meter, you receive results almost instantly. These meters specifically measure the amount of acetone excreted in breath, generally readings that relate well to blood ketone levels at low concentration. But their accuracy at higher levels of ketosis is still being researched. Be careful when you eat out, or don't eat out. Why did your diet fail? Many people fall victim to excuses. A common excuse: you're unable to live an active social life. But to correct this, all it takes is learning how to mold diet with social life. One way to do that is understanding how to navigate a menu when eating out. Many restaurants today are becoming more keto-friendly. If there are no keto options available on the menu, many items can be altered slightly to adhere to the keto style of diet. Instead of a burger and fries, take off the bun and order it with a salad. Try a taco bowl instead of traditional tacos with tortillas and other carbs like rice. Eat a salad with no heavy dressing or croutons added. Skip the heavy carb beverages, like beer and soda, in favor of water or club soda. These are easy options to maintain a keto diet while still being able to enjoy time out with friends and family. No matter if you're eating fast food or a Michelin cuisine, there is always a way to make the menu fit your style of eating. All it takes is a bit of creativity and a tweak here or there. Why is keto right for you? Old perceptions about high-fat diets have changed. Health benefits from ketogenic dieting continue to grow, from everything to weight management to diabetes control. Continued research is necessary to understand the full benefits, but some people are using keto to reverse diabetes, to maintain blood sugar levels, for endurance performance, for improved cognition, or for longevity. The list continues growing. Everyone is different. Some people don't get along with keto, but for others it is transformative, so this diet certainly deserves consideration. If you want to get into ketosis fast, follow our steps. But understand it's a process. It will take some time, and maybe even a bout of keto flu, for the body to fully adapt to this lifestyle. But overall, the process isn't difficult. It takes dedication, but will be worth it in the long run. Want an optimized keto diet menu? Our experts have taken everything into account, from recipes to macronutrients. Subscribe to get the menu.